So if I have to sum her up in just a few lines, then I would say she's somebody who's transformed lives. And I don't exaggerate when I say transformed, because she's literally changed lives of people throughout the world through her workshops, through her seminars, and especially through her therapy sessions, the one-on-one sessions that she takes. And when I met her, it's so weird to say this, but when I met her, I was going through a very, 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 very bad phase in my life, physically and obviously so emotionally too. But I think I took 2 sessions with her to realize how it's working for me. And the best part about her is that she's trained in so many cutting edge tools and techniques that help you tap in the energy that is within you. And that's the best part. There was nothing कि मैं बाहर से कुछ ला रही हूँ, because the brilliance and wisdom was always within me. She just helped me tap into it and how to use it for my benefit. And her name is Geet Taneja. And so I remember I was suffering from IBS and some skin issues, and I was mentally in a very, very bad place in my life around January or probably December 2018. And my friend kept telling me, because I had changed around 8 to 10 doctors, allopathy, homeopathy, ayurvedic, everything I had tried, nothing was working, because they couldn't find anything that was wrong with me, but I was sick all the time. My friend kept telling me, why don't you just give a shot to therapy? I was like, therapist मुझे क्या बता देगी ऐसी, ऐसा क्या है जो मुझे नहीं पता, मेरे पास दुनिया भर की knowledge है. I was like, एक घंटे में what can she tell me that will fix my life? Because I was always very, very against therapy, because मुझे लगता था कि I have to be mentally sick, पागल होना पड़ेगा तभी मैं जाऊंगी. But then she convinced me, and she was like, just 1 hour अपना time दे दो, there's nothing to lose. So that's when I took my first session with you, and I've never looked back. I keep taking them because I need them so much.
Yeah, all of us do actually. We're all work in progress.
Yeah. But that was very interesting. Even you have a therapist, don't you?
Absolutely. All the successful people in the world, they all have life coaches to propel them forward in life and to achieve greater success in life.
Right. Okay. So I have a few questions for you today that I'm going to ask, so that people know what you will be doing. Okay, let's just first start talking about how you landed with these techniques, or how you began your journey. कैसे पता चला that spirituality भी कुछ चीज होती है?
So, my journey began at a very early age, I think 14 or 15 years old. So, I was always a person who was never introduced to spirituality, but I always knew it was there and I was just searching for it. So, I feel like it was something I was born with, but I had to remember it. So I was looking for ways to find. So I started with Art of Living when I was 14 or 15. Then I did Art of Living for some years. Then I went on to do Nichiren Daishonin Buddhism for 2 years. And then I finally got introduced after reading Dr. Brian Weiss to hypnotherapy. And that is when I think one of the biggest transformations of my life began. So I entered this work because I wanted to first create an amazing life for myself. I wanted to have everything, amazing relationships, good successful career, love in my life, health, money, everything. So that is the reason I entered spirituality, to get mental peace. And so after hypnotherapy, there was no looking back. I went on to train in countless healing modalities and techniques from across the world. I'm trained in past life therapy. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist. I'm an EFT practitioner and theta healing, pranic healing, Reiki. And what something that is really close to my heart and that I use a lot with my clients in my seminars is faster EFT or your taptics. And then there is self-identity through Ho'oponopono. And I'm also a Love Yourself, Heal Your Life teacher certified by Hay House USA.
Right. Wow. Quite. Would you say that this technique is extremely important for people like us and by us I mean people who are working in the corporate sector, or people who are unemployed, or even housewives for that matter.
So I believe all of us are seeking same things in life, and that is to be loved, to
Yeah.
love someone, to have a lot of abundance of money, because money is a very important energy on earth right now, and to be happy and feel pride for ourselves, be happy with ourselves and our success. So that's something which is common in all of us, and that is exactly what spirituality does to us. While growing up, we used to think, okay, if I have an relationship, if I'm married, I'll be very happy. If I have that job, I'll be very happy. If I have that much money, I'll be very happy. But then when you actually get there, still something is missing. We notice that all these things outside never really give us what we need. It's all inside. And once you start working on the inside, the outside is just a bonus result you'll get, because the
Right.
inside creates the outside. So, I feel so amazing for the clients that I work with now, because I had to take a 10, 15-year long journey to get here. And now the people I work with, I can give, such fast results thanks to Faster EFT and Ho'oponopono, because all the tools are amazing out there. Everything that exists there is amazing. However, these are two of the tools which I feel give the most fastest results, and they work with every single person. There's no bias, because it's actually the way your brain works. So it always works.
So even if somebody does not per se believe in this technique or this concept, it's
Yes.
going to work for them.
So that's the interesting part about faster EFT. You do not need to believe in it.
Wow.
There is no faith required, nothing. It's still going to work, because that's the way your brain is working. It has actually hacked the way your brain works and reproduced a technique that helps you create desired results.
Wow. Right. And we usually tend to blame so many other factors in the world for everything, but it's interesting how all the blocks are inside us, and that's how. I mean, you've helped me clear so many blocks in my own life, which
Yeah,
is great.
that's such a beautiful thing about spirituality, because we've always been blaming people outside, whether it's our parents, that's where it starts, then it's our friends, bosses, our husbands, wives, our mother in laws, father in laws, everyone. So we blame everyone, but we never take the time to actually look inside, that what is happening? Why am I always there when the problem happens? So
Yeah.
maybe I'm the common root.
Yeah, that's true. मेरा
And
like मेरा बचपन से है कि अगर मैं रोज एक चोट ना खाऊं तो मेरा दिन पूरा नहीं होता.
yeah, we all pick up such weird programs from our childhood, but we always have, thanks to these tools, the luxury to reprogram them and create better lives.